Com a inauguração oficial do Parque Solar em área de parqueio de aeroporto, está 3 megawatts mais cerca da visão do gabinete Eyman para Aruba 100% sustentável para o ano 2020. O parque tem um caráter único no Caribe e confirma a confiança na visão de sustentabilidade. O governo, assim como costume, para a conferência na Green Aruba, dá uma mostra concreta de logro na avenida sustentável. Semana passada, oficialmente, inaugurar a planta de ecogás. A facilidade aqui de convertir sushi em biogás para uso na web. Además de contribuir a reduzir o problema de sushi na Aruba, o projeto aqui ajuda para estar mais independente de crudo para produzir energia. Agora, parque solar que está a Aruba vitrina para tipo de projeto aqui no Caribe.
Taking something we have an abundance of and turning it into something we need more of is always a good idea. Projects like this, even after the most detailed due diligence, sometimes require a leap of faith. Progress and change doesn't always happen in big leaps, but sometimes in some very small steps. This solar car park facility is a step closer to a vision I admire and respect. To act as responsible stewards of our environment and to leave behind something of value for the future generations ahead of us.
Another step that we have been working on. We have been busy with the projects that lead in Aruba to the year 2020 to be 100% sustainable. This is a great vision of the Cabinet Mike Heyman 1, now Cabinet Mike Heyman 2. The Prime Minister that really believes and has a vision to carry Aruba towards 100% sustainability. It was declared together with Mr. Richard Branson in Brazil in the year 2012. That this is the target for Aruba. This will be a very nice showcase for Aruba.
Today, we are very proud to stand right below a solar park that's going to be first in its size in the Caribbean. Not only producing power, but also providing shades to everybody that will be parking their car here. So I think very much everybody that does use this parking space, especially the employees and the car rentals, will be very well pleased with this parking area. Their car will be very protected, and on top of it, for sure, AAA will earn some money additional with it.
It is more than the contribution of adding up and expanding the alternative energy resources of Aruba. Each time an Aruban stands up and dares to take such a challenge, it gives to our community the confidence that some is required. Because the leaders of this country can say that we want to be totally sustainable by 2020. And we can be embraced by important institutions such as Carmel War Room.
It is also, of course, the largest solar park that we have in the entire Caribbean at this point in time. Prime Minister Heyman has been very intent in his motivation that Aruba become not only a showcase for the world in what it is doing in terms of lowering carbon emissions and going down this track, but that Aruba also creates a business model for itself as an incubator of businesses and as a case where other islands can come to learn from what is being done here, which can then be exported to other places around the world.
These projects, led by Arubans, Aruban investors, Aruban companies such as Almar, do more than just expand the percentage of renewable energy in Aruba. They are making it clear and they are reinforcing the self-confidence that we need to have these grand aspirations that we have. Every time that we are successful in reaching this goal because someone accepted the challenge, stepped to the plate, that sends out a signal, a positive signal to someone else also to step up to the plate and help us realize the dream that we have for all our citizens in Aruba.